When do you start receiving payment after your YouTube channel has been approved for monetization? As a small YouTube creator, congrats if your YouTube channel has been approved for monetization. But the big question here is, when do I start receiving my payments? In this video, I will break down exactly how and when YouTube pay creators after monetization, what you need to do to receive your first payment, and how long it usually takes. Let's get into it. Getting approved for monetization on YouTube is just the first step, even though ads are now running on your video. YouTube will not send payment immediately after approval, except for those YouTubers that have met the required payment threshold, which is $100. That is 100 USD. There are key steps to follow before you receive your first payment on YouTube. The first one is reaching the payment threshold, which is $100. 2. Setting up your Google AdSense account. And 3. Waiting for YouTube payments date. Now let's talk about the first one, which is reaching the payment threshold of 100 USD or $100. After being monetized on YouTube, that is after meeting the 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers, YouTube won't start making payment immediately except you meet up with the payment threshold of $100. I know most new creators don't know that YouTube also has payment threshold. You must have earned up to $100 from ads that runs on your video before YouTube can start paying you. This can take about a month, 2 months, or 3 months. It depends on your video performance and the traffic to your channel. That is, the more views and engagement your channel or video gets, the possibility of you receiving your first payment within that same month of monetization. The second step on our list, that is the second step you need to follow to start receiving payment from YouTube, is setting up your Google AdSense account. That is, you need to set up your Google AdSense account and link it to your YouTube channel. All you need to do is to sign up for AdSense through YouTube Studio. Provide your bank details for direct deposit and make sure your names and bank details match with your legal documents, because any mismatch might lead to delay payments. Please, before I move to the third one, kindly take a few seconds to hit on the like button, subscribe, turn on your notification, and please don't forget to leave a comment after watching. The last key step is the YouTube payment schedule. After meeting up with the above requirement, as at what date of the month does YouTube pay its creators? YouTube pay its creators once in a month, typically between the 21st and 26th of each month. For example, if you hit the $100 payment threshold by April 10th, YouTube will process your payment by April 21st or 26th, which is their payment date. YouTube don't just make random payment because you met up with a $100 threshold. The money reaches your bank within a few days. It also depends on the country, so just expect your money at the end of the month. This doesn't mean you cannot earn more than $100 on YouTube. The least amount before you start receiving payment is $100 for those that just got monetized on YouTube. You can earn more than that even with your first payment. You can earn up to thousands of dollars even with your first payment. But the least amount of money you need to earn before you can start receiving payment on YouTube is $100. Now, here are some of the things that can help you meet up fast with YouTube payment threshold within the month of monetization. The first one is more video views. Ads, that is advertisements run on your video, are the primary way to earn on your YouTube. And this ads revenue depends on your video performance and views. The more people watch your videos, the more ads they see and watch. So you need to take your video views seriously because it's a key factor for you to start receiving your payment within a month of monetization. The second one is your CPN and ROCPN. This depends on your audience, location, niche, engagement. One thing you should know that the location of your audience also determines the amount YouTube pay for each ads run on your video. Your niche also matters because not every niche receive the same amount of payment for each ads run on their video. Then your engagement, that is views, likes, comments, notification, and share. They also determines your earning. All these things are necessary for your revenue on YouTube. So they also determines how fast you can meet up with your required threshold. And this other one is create longer videos and focus on evergreen content. There are more ways to earn on YouTube. Just start with this and upgrade as you grow. Don't just focus on the 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Pay key attention to your views and engagement as you approach monetization, so you can start receiving your payment within a month of monetization. Please, if you've watched this video to this point, kindly do me the favor of tapping on the like button. Subscribe to my channel for more video updates, and also don't forget to leave a comment, turn on your notification, and help me to share this video because this will go a long way for my channel visibility. Your content also matters a lot for views and engagement. Let's create a community where we learn and grow together. See you in my next video. Bye for now.